We will look at some simple audit setup here. In this session I have logged in the system. Here I already have audit trail configured to database. If I did not have audit trail configured, I would have to issue an alter system to do it. And then I would have to shut down and restart the database. Connect SSDBA. Shut down and restart to make this audit trail configuration enabled. Now I don't need to use SysDB anymore, so I'll log in a system. Earlier today I already had some logons. But let me show how that auditing is configured. You just say audit session, and that enables logon session auditing, that is, and entries are captured in DB audit session. So for example, here if I were to log in as a user, I can see one new logon. I can describe that. So this is my query on DB audit session. I can see the latest logon was this one, 223522. Okay, that's the logon here. If I run a query here and then I log out and I query DB audit session again, I can see that it creates a new entry, but basically this logon that I had here is now captured with a logout time and shows 626 blocks were fetched. This is log of logical reads. How many logical reads happened? And both the log on and the log off has 0 return code. That means there is no errors. If I have a failed login here and I query DB audit session, I can see 1017 is the return code for this failed login at 22:37:25. This session. So that is audit session to enable logging of logons and all session creation and disconnects. I can disable session audit with a no audit session. I can also enable auditing by user actions. So for example, if I have a user, I can say audit all by, and all actions by HR will be audited here. I can say audit table, or I can say audit table by HR. So audit table will audit create, drop and alter table commands. I can say audit If I don't specify by clause here, by just specify the table, that means insert, update, delete actions by any users on the HR employees table. Let me view the DBA audit object. I've created a table, so I should see it because I've audited table actions here. So here you can see create table was executed by HR in the HR schema. I don't have extended auditing, so I don't have the actual SQL statement. I just only have the create table being captured, and the create table was sometime after 22:37. That is exactly at 10:39 p.m. Similarly, because I have enabled auditing of insert, update, delete, I could capture those actions also in DBA audit statement. So I could capture actions in DBA audit statement, and I can capture database object actions in DBA audit object, and I can capture sessions in DBA audit session. So these three views can also be used to actually look at specific information: session information, DBA audit session, object information in DBA audit object, and statement information in DBA audit statement.